In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to find DNS in Squarespace. If you need to connect a domain you already own and view the DNS information Squarespace provides, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Squarespace account so you can get to the domain connection area quickly and without confusion. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. From there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps most of your site configuration options, including domain-related settings. Once you're in Settings, find and click Domains and Email. This section contains the tools for managing domain connections, email-related options, and other setup items tied to your website address. If you're specifically trying to locate DNS records for a domain connection, this is the correct place to start. Next, click on Domains. This will take you into the domain management area for your site. Here, you'll see options related to connecting a domain, purchasing one, or reviewing what's already attached to your website. From this page, choose Use a Domain I Own. This option is for domains that were purchased somewhere outside of Squarespace. In other words, if your domain is registered with another provider, this is the path you'll use to connect it and access the DNS setup details Squarespace gives you. Now, type your domain into the field provided. Be sure to enter the domain carefully so you don't run into connection issues later. Even a small typo can send you to the wrong setup screen, so it's worth taking an extra second to double check what you entered. After that, click Connect Domain. Squarespace will then guide you to the next part of the setup, where you'll link your external domain to your site. At this stage, select your provider from the list. This means choosing the company where your domain is currently registered. Picking the correct provider helps Squarespace tailor the connection instructions, which can make finding the right DNS records much easier. Finally, click Connect Domain again. Once you do that, Squarespace will take you to the DNS connection instructions for your domain. This is typically where you'll be able to see the DNS records you need to add or update with your domain provider in order to connect your website properly. And that's it. By following this path inside Squarespace, you can reach the DNS setup area for an external domain and move forward with your connection much more confidently.